Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to add another stock to our simulated portfolio. You guys can see what it is. It's Profound Medical Corporation. I'm going to show you all on the long-term charts, i.e. the monthly time frame, as to why we suspect that this stock is going to continue to go higher for that duration. Before I get started, as always, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. We're here to show you all that there's other stocks outside of the ones that are being consistently talked about that also has the ability to make bread. So if you guys appreciate the videos and content, like I said earlier, make sure you guys support by liking the video, sharing, and as well as subscribing to learn more about how we're able to see these stocks and predict them and trying to go up higher. All right, so now let's look at this on the 3 months chart. This is where I'm seeing the opportunity for this stock to continue to go up. So if you guys haven't seen my other YouTube videos, we've done price prediction for crypto as well as other stocks in the market. And the first thing we do is come in and create areas that we see where the buyers are and areas to where we see sellers. Okay, so clearly we've seen this stock bounce 3 times off of this buy pocket between $4 and $3 and like 50 cents or so. Okay, so we're going to mark that area as where we suspect there to be more motivation of people buying the stock than there are people willing to sell it. Okay, up here is probably where the biggest sell pocket is outside of this one, all the way up here in Profound Medical Corporation. Here it is on the monthly chart. You guys can see that this is where we can definitely see the sellers hitting the market in Profound Medical. Here's another sell pocket that we're going to mark. Okay, because these could be potential traps that we can see price hit and get a reversal, or price begin to go the opposite direction of what we anticipated. So we definitely need to mark these areas as we see this stock trying to go up higher in price. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay. Here is Profound on the 2 weeks. We have 9 hours left on this current 2 weekly price bar, and just trying to gauge and show you all where the market participants could be in the sense of looking for the stock to get hit with selling. I'm looking for that to be around like $10.25 to $11.50. Here's the market on the weekly chart. You can see over the last couple of weeks that this volume has definitely increased in the market for this stock. Something is going on. Okay. And considering that this is the current weekly price bar, look at the volume that's currently coming in and where the market closes. So in the next 9 hours and 10 minutes for the weekly time frame, if this market closed up here at the high of the bar, that still gives us information that the market was being bought by the buyers. Okay, and that the buyers won out against the sellers. Here it is on the 5. Here's a quick look on the 4 into the market. You guys can see right here on the 4 that we could potentially have sellers in the market right now. That's why the last 2 4-day price bars we've seen price hit the sell pocket and went down. So this is a potential area that we could see buyers have an issue of trying to move the market up higher. Okay. Now I do like this current price action right here for Profound. We had the weakness and the selling on this 3-day bar, and then immediately on the next one, price went right back up. So there's still some buyers there and some demand into the market for this stock. Here it is on the 2 and on the 1. This is a definitely fanatic. This is great to see. One day price went down, next day it went right back up. So the demand is definitely still there. So we're going to add this prediction on the 3 months time frame though. Okay, and we're going to try to target the high of this sell pocket right here, $11.58. That's like 40% run to the upside. And then the bottom of this next sell pocket around $13.28. That is 60.75% move to the upside. So we're looking for this to play out over the long term. So this might be in our portfolio for a while. Just to give you guys a heads up, just unless the market just completely goes crazy and goes higher a lot faster. So let's go ahead and add this to our portfolio. Today is the 16th. The ticket symbol is PROF. And we're going to look at this on 3 months. And the price was $8.34. And that's it. So you guys could look at these other stocks that we currently have in our portfolio. We got some in December as well that we've been marking and tracking. You guys can see that we already did pretty good on 4 of them, not so good on 1 of them. And I think the market didn't do so well for our Salesforce. So we'll have to go ahead and get rid of that. So let's go there first and mark. Let's see, let me show you. Okay, so you guys can see right here that the price action in Salesforce didn't go the way that we expected it, and it hit our stop just yesterday. Okay, so we need to go ahead and get this out the market right now. So let's go ahead and make that. The sell date was yesterday, and the price is 233.53. So again, that's like another 12% loss right there. We're going to go ahead and make that red. And that is it. We'll check these other ones maybe this weekend to see how they're performing, if we need to take the profit, or can we let them ride, or should we let it go because it's not going in our direction that we anticipated. All right, so that is it. We got the other one added to our January portfolio, and we'll continue to track it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this chart though for Salesforce, because if we get another opportunity, we'll come right back and put on another play. But as of right now, it's a no-go.